Pretty sure it should come with a manual.
It might.
Okay. So this is gonna set down in the hole, 14 by 14, but I'm thinking
I'm gonna tell the camera what you're doing.
This is for the RecPro AC. Trying to get our heads around the install, which looks fairly straightforward. Remote control, it's not ducted. It'll just push air right down through here instead of going to ducts. This frame goes on the roof over an existing 14 by 14 hole, but we don't have an existing hole, it's a school bus. And we're thinking it's gonna go in this neighborhood, the flattest spot, because it needs to be level as possible. From what I understand, this just sets down in the hole, put the AC unit on top. So that's super thick. Cut the hole for the AC, the first one anyways. First AC is going here, it's about 44 inches, 8 inches in front of the hole. We're just gonna do one at a time so we don't bite off more than we can chew. He should get his cowboy hat on.
Nice.
Yourself a cow. Oh, wait, I'm a bull. I'm scared. So I have to take it real easy. I don't want to go too deep in. There's speaker wires there and the ceiling lights. And I'm not sure where those wires are sitting. They could be tucked tight to the joist. So I just got to be real careful. And once we commit, we commit. Like there's no going back. What I'm doing, I'm gonna drill at the corners and then go inside, make my lines, and do the same thing, but from the inside. This should be pretty close. Right about there. I think what I'll do is cut them and then reroute them. But this will be accessible.
Right.
I'll just tuck it.
What if we lower the whole thing? Maybe that will help. It's too high.
I think you had to lower it to close it.
Okay.
A little more. Kind of big. Kind of smudge. Oh.
That didn't do nothing. Only Papa was here. He'd be like, you boys are so sad.
Well, he drove this for how many?
Oh my goodness. Forever.
This is what, 1950 something, I think.
It's a beautiful track.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
I love it.
And you guys have kept it up.
Oh yeah, it's been refurbished a few times. So.
Alright. Yeah, you're good. Sheesh, that thing's ugly. Yeah, if I just stab him to the bus.
That would be fun though.
Yeah, we do that, then you can stay till November.
Yeah.
If
Hockey.
you did that, it needs the AC. Got 4 holes. Always open.
Those colors look amazing. Look at those colors.
Oh wow.
Dang.
Yeah, that's good. Was one of you guys like all the weights on one? Are we just putting one on?
One at a time.
Yeah.
This is from RecPro. www.recpro.com.
Yeah, I think it's got to go back towards the back. Yeah. No, now you're too far. You were there, but you got to go more that way.
Come towards me.
Yeah, right there. Back forward just a ½ inch. Watch your fingers. Sorry. Forward. That's the edge, yeah.
Okay.
So.
The butyl tape will be on this and kind of sticks it in place a bit
Oh, okay.
when I really do it.
Okay.
So if we lift up the back end a bit and then
There.
bring it forward and now bring it down.
Okay, and that needs to go
Towards us this way.
there. Oh, a little too far. Oh, no, that might be good.
Take a little shot, set it to paint.
Well, we were supposed to be leaving this morning and we're still here. Yesterday, we did obviously not get nearly as much accomplished as we were hoping. We got the hole for the AC and started getting the first AC installed. I actually think we spent more time doing supply runs to Home Depot than building the bus. I'm trying to fish a coat hanger through this hole up to there so we can run the wiring under the ceiling. This process is obviously always way more ideal if you take your ceiling off and run all your wiring before you put on a new ceiling, but we didn't even take the ceiling off, so the next bit of the process after the wiring is pretty quick, and then Michael can work on the second AC. That's what we're doing today.
All right.
Okay, so I've been fishing it through. Oh,
My amazing
yeah.
wife. Honestly, I wouldn't have had the patience.
He actually bought.
This is just an adhesive. It's meant to go straight away on a wall. This bend, I really didn't believe the adhesive was going to stick, so I was going to pop it with some screws.
But
But
we did
that's
it.
going to be nice.
We gotta attach it to the wire and hope we can get it back down with the wire attached. So that's the next goal.
Go back like that in between the two wires, and then we'll crimp it. I'm kind of going overboard here, but then it won't
plenty.
catch.
That's plenty. Okay, honey. It's taped.
I don't have patience, and she doesn't like excess. Yeah. Hopefully that's not too big of a...
It's an egg. We should be. Ah!
Beautiful. Beautiful. Good job, Mama.
Thank you.
You're a rock star. It seems to line up now. Make those connections. Boom, boom, boom. Hot, neutral ground. Wired, we tuck it in. The wiring that goes to the computer, the controller, just plugs in. And
Nice.
that's it. Under unit goes up and it bolts, and that clamps it. You just need to strengthen this portion, otherwise when you clamp it, it's just gonna squish that to, it's really thin sheet metal between you and the outside. Add some strength. We went with the wood option because we have tons of scrap wood. So I already put butyl tape, which is like a plumber's putty, under the trim, but I wanna go ahead and, you see this, it's not perfectly level. It's tight on the front and back. The side's got a good gap, and I just don't want any water penetrating because that's where the water is going to come into our bus. So we're just going to hit it with this. All right, I repaired my clearance lights, did a quick connection, and now I'm going to go ahead and wire 110 to the AC/heat pump. And we'll put a Marette on it. For our Canadian friends, they'll know what a Marette is. Our Americans are gonna be like, what the heck is a Marette?
You've had this conversation
I
before.
know. Standard wire connector, okay? Standard wired connectors. And I'm gonna tape these, because I like to tape everything. Biggest thing is don't over tighten. Snug, but not over tighten. So this is a little different than I used to. Normally an AC has a plenum and there's like a divider, and you have the intake on one side and the out on the other. This is different. I think it's intake in the middle and then it pushes out the sides, I believe, because this is sealed all the way up, and if you look all the way around, it has the coils all the way around. So airflow sucks, I think. I haven't read the manual. Maybe I should read the manual instead of giving you guys bad advice. So it's a different design. It's kind of interesting. Section right here, and that's the computer board, motherboard. Oh, just be careful. They're not like extremely big plug. And that's that. And you kind of just line them up and push on. That was pretty easy. Okay, so that's that.
And now Michael is gonna bonk his head every time.
Actually, there's still.
Oh, nice.
I mean, I can feel it brushing my hair.
Oh, what'd you miss?
That's why. So there's screws before. Okay. Very important to read the instructions.
After you install the AC.
Yeah. Well, no. There's 4 in the inner, and the 2, 4, 6, 8 on the outer.
That's good, because I wasn't really feeling very safe with just those clips.
It's required to fix the rim with the plenum mounting bracket using the ST 4x10 truss head tapping screws.
I have to take that off now. Not funny.
Can I sip the...
And that's the filter.
It's so pretty. It looks so shiny compared to the rest of our bus. Oh, and not even. What's his name? Not even. Okay, so Toby and Michael are up on the roof, cutting the hole for the second AC. And this one's going in the kid's bed area. And so when he goes to cut the lower hole, was really nervous about metal shards getting all over their bed. They ended up all over the kitchen, which wasn't a super big deal because I can just wipe them off the counter. Probably scratch up my nice counters a little bit, but this is a little different because it's all fabric. So I just rigged up this like plastic garbage bag wall. It's a little bit ET-ish. So he has a little room. That's where the hole's gonna get cut, and then all the metal shards should just fall all the way. They're just about to cut that inside hole.
Doing the hanger trick.
I gotta get it around all this wire that is here though.
There's a, I think that might be the hanger. Can you pull back? Yeah, okay. So there's a bar here.
Oh, okay.
So come at it again. Got it.
Oh, yeah, I got it. Nice. It'd be a bit of a challenge getting it back out of this hole.
Right. So we stuck the hanger through the wire casing.
Okay, let's see if I can pull it back down out of that hole.
It's gonna be fun. And me pushing.
Okay, it's coming. I think that's good.
Take a little.
Okay, getting close to being done the second one.
Yes. We have air conditioning in the bus. So we're super grateful to RecPro for hooking us up with these ACs.
We
very much appreciate it.
yeah.
It's gonna be nice. We're gonna be ice cold. Maybe. All right.
What have you been saving up for?
Anna Green Gables.
Yeah, you're hoping to get it soon? You're hoping to get it. Oh, you're hoping to get it before we left, but you ran out of time, hey?
Yeah.
But we'll probably just order it in the States. All right. I was trying to block it till you were here. She saw them anyways.
You want them? Yeah. You want them? Okay, you
What do you say?
You're welcome.
They should all be there.
Yes, yes.
They smell really good. They smell good? They smell really good. That's all that matters.
Now I have my money for something else.
There you go.
And now all that money you saved,
Yeah.
something else.
Yeah, she's been working really hard.